excited, Bella? You go on a tractor? You want to see animals? You guys like those big tires?
Yeah, those are huge.
Hey, what's up, buddies?
What's up, buddy?
Good job. Yeah, they lick it. It feels so funny, right? You like them? Like that? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Good. He's brave. Okay. Look at these guys. What's up? No, Bella, don't drop it. Go.
Bye, guys.
Bye, goats. We'll see you later. Hey, what? Where's all your food? Gone already? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, don't do your hand for him. He's crazy. Go. Oh, 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 oh. Soft. Don't pet him now. No one likes you? What's his name?
Gerald.
Gerald. Good
I'm a cat.
Yeah.
Donkey. Steal my fruit.
Go.
Pony. Look, mommy.
Wow. You guys like her? Hey. Hi, goat. You guys like him? Yeah, hold it, Mary. Wow, good job. Yeah, you want more? Here, give Mary some more. Here you go. Okay, here you go. Put your hand out. Wow. Yeah. Don't be scared. Hold your hand out. Whoa. Look at his funny eyes. Here you go. Here, can I have some? Here you guys go. You can have some. Yeah, you like him? Look at this one all furry. He's cool. Hey, guy. Cow. Hey, cow. You like the cow? Like him?
The cow's coming towards us.
Wow, he's so giant, right? Do you like him? Or is he kind of scary?
I don't. He's kind of ugly.
He's what? He's not ugly. He's a cow.
I hate cows. They have good fun. Those are like this.
Quiet. It's okay. Hey, cow. You're cute. We like you. It's okay. Watch out, Milky.
Ow! He keeps hitting me.
Cow, watch it. Watch out, Mel. Let me get up. What? What's that?
His pee-pee.
Yeah. What the heck?
Where?
Oh, he's drinking a lot of water, right, guys?
That's a dirty bathtub.
Hey, cow.
What is
Can you
green?
have some? Whoa, his tongue. I saw his long tongue.
Why is the water green?
Look it, look it.
The books are eating it.
Oh, hi, Piggy. What's that noise you're making? He's hear him?
Hey, Piggy.
Hey, Piggy.
He's eating there. Get on your bathtub. Get on your bathtub.
Yeah, take a bath. You're silly. Look at his crazy hair, right? Aww.
Look at that other one. It kind of looks like a funny guy.
He's cute.
Push off.
Do it again. Nice. Let me see you pet it. Aww. Wait. That's so cute.
Charmander hates water. He likes lava. Mom, look at me.
Okay, now let Jackson have a turn. Get those out.
I'm getting all of the gemstones.
Let's see what Chloe got. Wow. Look at this. That's cool. Ellie, what'd you find? Wow. A rose quartz? That's pretty. Wow. You got really cool ones. Troy, you got a horse? What'd you get?
Piggy.
Aw, cute.
I even got I need the top first. Hey guys, the tractor's picking us up.
Where? I see the tractor. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Everyone, the tractor's here. Cheese. Yeah. Fresh cherries, blueberry pie, blackberry pie, apple pie.
I'm giving the
Cheese, say cheese, baby, yaya. Cheese, hey, say cheese. Okay, let's go.